Is the autoplay videos feature not working on the LinkedIn app? If videos play automatically when you don't want them to, want autoplay when enabled, or the autoplay settings isn't being saved, it can affect your browsing experience and mobile data usage. In this video, I will show you how to fix autoplay videos on LinkedIn app. The first thing you have to do is to go to LinkedIn. Then here on this page, you will go to above to this sign of profile. You click on settings. Then here in this window, you will go to account preferences. In this list, you will click on autoplay videos. And then here you can change or control your autoplay videos here. So please don't forget